Hello YouTube, this is Homie I Host here once again. I've made a YouTube video yesterday about what I'm gonna do. I made a series that what I have in this inventory right now is what I stake away, and if I lose, I lose. You know, it's like no harm. Like I don't care, it's just for fun. This is a very cool server, and what the fuck is it? Oh my god, bots! Dude, no, fucking lag. Oh my god, are you kidding me? Oh my god. Okay. Okay. Oh my god. Oh my god. Hey, hey, bitches. Hey. Oh my god. I loved you in freaking regular RS. You gave me all your D bones when I killed you fuckers. Hey, ball party. Fucking lag. Ball party. Let's go. Let me fucking fix this. Hey, ball party. Fuckers. Wall 13. Wall 12. Wall 11. This is retarded ass motherfucker. Alright, yeah, this is a dice game thingy. You can teleport here by going here, going right there. Dice game, duel arena, bounty hunter, barrows, 5Ks, yeah, these shits, yeah. Weapon game. That's why I'm gonna do a video about this today, the weapon game. I have never tried out this server on here. And yeah, I wanted to try it out. I don't know how it happens though, like. How do you fucking play? Well, I guess you don't play it. Fuck this shit. Oh, that's fucking retarded. What the hell is this game? Why am I fucking lagging? God. Oh shit. I found it. Hey, shit. Let's go, Melee. Let's go, Melee. Please bank all your fuckers. Alright. I'll bank all my fuckers. Oh, this is the Gothic fist shit thingy. I'm sorry if I cuss a lot. It's just force of habit, you know. Oh, yeah, whatever. Oh, alright. Call them here. China. Let's go. Yeah, and there's no lag regularly. Is this like stealing creations? What do you do? 4, 3, 2, 1. Did I win? Uh, um. Oh, bronze dagger. Let's go. Oh my god. Let's attack this bitch. Fuck. Oh, she's right there. Oh, what does she have? Run. Fuck. They have bronze dagger. No. No. Get the fuck off. Oh, this is just like Fisted Gut this hella. Do you just kill someone? I don't get it. Fight 60 over 30. You can't fight. Okay, okay. So around 120. Oh shit. Leals. If we kill him, we're gonna do shit. This is pretty fun though. Like what the fuck? Wait, bitch. You scared? Better be scared, motherfucker. I'll eat two then. Oh my god. I'm 99 all QB. So feel bad for this. Oh, can you use these? Oh yes, you can. Oh my god. Kill this fucker. It's fucking awesome. Why can't I use ultimate strength? Can you die? Alright, so this is weapon game apparently. Like I don't know. I don't know how I only spawned with the bronze. Can yeah, I'm hitting freaking 13s. I suck. Duh, why eat? Why eat? What? Huh? Huh? Huh, bitch? Huh, bitch? We're getting gangbanged. Just like Nightmare RH fucking hella says. Getting gangbanged. Alright, we're only gonna do one game. You know. Alright, how much food does this bitch have? If we die, what happens? Motherfucker, I'm gonna die. God damn it. God damn. God damn it. Don't die. Don't die. No. 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 This guy has VCP and freaking Ellie. What the hell? Fucking hacker. Fuck you. Alright, pass? Oh! Shit. We get more food. Oh shit, we can kill him. Shh. Shh. We're gonna get some more shit. Oh my god. Could someone attack me? Oh shit, I don't want to attack that bitch. Got not here in range. Oh no! Fuck you. That bitch got armor. Oh my god, I need someone to fight. Can I attack this bitch? Damn it. Man, he's not 30. He's like 28. Levels what? Above me. Wait, yeah. No. 30. Oh my god, 18. I'm such a bitch. He's one level. You can't fight opponents being under level 60 with over 30 or level. Finally, this bitch comes to my town. I'm dead. Say hi to YouTube. Yay. Bitch. Bitch. Alright, well, you know guys, this is the end of the video. Thanks for watching. Please comment, rate, or subscribe or something. It would really help out my channel. Thank you, and have a good day, guys.